Hey friends, so in this video, I am going to be talking about my brand new set that I came out with MaimeriBlu. If you guys have been watching my YouTube channel for a while, then you know I switched colors to MaimeriBlu, mainly because they're just super delicious and vibrant. It's created in Italy paint, and their watercolor line, the MaimeriBlu line, I have been loving over this past year. I did a video a few months ago where I color swatched every single color from the MaimeriBlu line. It was like hundreds of colors, huge color chart, and narrowed down my palette to 20 colors. But then I started collaborating with MaimeriBlu on my top 6 favorite colors. So if you guys are looking for a fun little starter pack, or you don't want to get the full 20 list of colors that I use, or you just don't know where to start with MaimeriBlu and you want to test it out, then this little guy has my 6 favorites. It's available on Amazon and Blick. And in this video, I just wanted to go through the reasons why I chose these 6 colors. I have Quin Red, Quinacridone Red, Permanent Red Light, Primary Yellow, Prussian Blue, Green Gold, which happens to be, I think, my all-time favorite color. Surprise. And Carbon Black. And you might be wondering, why don't you have a brown in there? Or why do you have a pink and a red? And the reasons why are answered in this video. I'm going to be doing a color chart plus showing you how to mix up some different colors like brown, blue-green, yellow greens, orange, etc. with these 6 colors only. So you can get a whole wide, beautiful range just from using these 6 colors. So before we get into the video, I just want to be very clear, extra clear, little disclaimer, if you will. This video is sponsored by MaimeriBlu. However, I was using these supplies before that collaboration even started, and not the other way around. I love these supplies, and it would change nothing whether it was sponsored by them or not, because I love them so much. If you want to get a little glimpse of what's included in this set, then let's get going. So after swatching what felt like hundreds and hundreds of colors from the entire MaimeriBlu line, I knew I needed to have Quinacridone Red and Permanent Red Light as my 2 red and neon pink. I also love Primary Yellow, Green Gold, Prussian Blue, and Carbon Black. You guys know I'm a big fan of Prussian Blue, but when I saw Green Gold for the first time, I absolutely fell in love. It is a delicious green. So at this point, you might be wondering, why didn't you include a brown in your mixture? Or why didn't you include this color or that color? So I'm gonna swatch out these colors so you can see what they look like by themselves, but then also do a little bit of color mixing so you can see the full range that you can get with mixing some of these colors from the 6 paint set. So right now I'm just using a wash brush and Quinacridone Red, or Quin Red I like to call it for short, and doing a couple different value swatches by adding water to get lighter as I go. So just doing 3 swatches of each color. I'm now on Permanent Red Light, so we've got a thicker, creamy consistency of this color, and it's so delicious. Very similar to Scarlet Lake, if you were familiar of my Winsor Newton days, but this is a very great similar color from the MaimeriBlu line. It has like an orangey undertone to the red, which I love. And Quin Red, Quinacridone Red, the pink, is a beautiful neon pink, similar to Opera Rose. And so I'm just going to show you what these 2 look like mixed together. These 2 colors mixed together, I love using this mixture for my floral paintings. So the perfect little orangey red pink color for vibrant florals. So again, love how these colors mix. You don't see any separation or anything like that. And now I'm gonna do a couple swatches of Primary Yellow. I love this deep, almost warm yellow, kind of similar to Lemon Yellow Deep. It's a canary yellow, so beautiful. And again, we can mix it with our pinks or reds and get some orange hues. So I'm going to add it to Quinacridone Red and do a little separate mixture of Quinacridone Red and Primary Yellow to give you a good idea of how to mix up a good orange hue. So equal parts of both of the colors to get this mid orange. So really thick and creamy at first, and then getting lighter to show you the transparent versions of this color. So our first mixture was quinacridone red and permanent red light. This one is quinacridone red and primary yellow. Next, we'll swatch out green gold. I love this color. It's like a brownish, bright yellow gold. When I first swatched this color, I was obsessed, especially with the more transparent and lighter swatches or values, because it just gets more and more neon. It's kind of hard to see or tell on screen, but it gets really bright and neon, and it's an absolutely amazing color. And then Prussian Blue, same thing, one of my all-time favorite colors. I love using this color when it's super creamy and velvety consistency. So this first swatch, it's so dark and kind of midnight bluish. And then you get your lighter values once you start adding water. And it's just a really mysterious, fun color to use. I love using Prussian Blue and a little bit of green gold and even some primary yellow to make really rich greens for my florals or trees or anything that I'm painting that needs the color green. So we've got a nice blue green here. This is just Prussian Blue and primary yellow, so no green gold in this mixture. And it's a beautiful, rich sap green almost. So you don't even need green in your palette. Obviously we have green gold, but that mixture was just Prussian Blue and yellow. And then if I add some green gold to it, just see how it shifts the hue just a little bit towards brown. And it becomes a really beautiful yellow green. So we've got our greens and then carbon black. Beautiful, rich, creamy black color. Oops, got some yellow in there somehow. But it's a beautiful, rich, creamy color when you use the thicker consistency. And then we're gonna mix up some brown. So I've got my orange hue that I mixed up with Quin Red and primary yellow. And then if I add some green gold to it and a little bit more red and then maybe even a touch of black, we've got brown. You could also do permanent red light, green gold, and black, carbon black to get a different version of a brown as well. So brown is one of those colors that you can, if you have a good range of primary colors in your palette, or you have at least red and green, you can get brown. So mixing contrasting colors, oftentimes like red and green, gives you brown or will give you some sort of version of gray. And then now I'm mixing up a purple hue using Quin Red and Prussian Blue. This is one of my favorite ways to mix purple, is with pink instead of red and blue. And so mix up a few different hues, try out the 6-part set. It is so much fun to play with, and I absolutely love these colors, and voila. So there you have it, folks. My all-time favorite 6 colors from MaimeriBlu. Again, there's so many colors in the MaimeriBlu line. Check them out if you can, and every artist is different, so you might have different preferences than mine. So with these 6 colors, you can get not just bright, vibrant hues that you can mix up with using a combination or a couple combinations of these colors, but you can also get muted, more earthy tones out of these 6 colors as well. So I hope you explore these 6 colors and you love them just as much as I am. They are available on Amazon and Blick. You can go to jennarainey.com/Amazon or /Blick, and you can find it saved inside of my page there. So when you get your hands on one of these sets, it comes with my beautiful watercolor packaging on the front and the back. I love it so much. And it comes with 6 different tubes, the 6 colors that I just mentioned, and they're all 12 milliliter size, which is a great amount of paint that will last you a very long time. A little bit goes a very long way, especially with these colors. They're so rich and vibrant and they're professional level, so they will last you a really long time. And they're my favorites. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.